Hi friends, we will provide Algo for Zerodha and Algo. Let's discuss what are the strategies are available with us and how Algo works. We have intraday short strangle and short straddle for both Nifty and Bank Nifty with stop loss. And we have closest premium strategy for Nifty and Bank Nifty with stop loss. And now we will discuss what are the files that you are getting as part of this Algo and how those files need to be modified. So as part of this algo, you will get three files. One is Python binary file where the entire logic of strategy will be placed and where you cannot edit anything. Next one is config file where you have to place your password and trade quantity, freeze quantity, etc. We will discuss that. Next one is scheduling file. You have to give the time at what time your strategy has to be executed, that you have to specify in scheduling file. Now first we will discuss about config file. This is the config file of short strangle and straddle. You have to provide API key, API secret, your username, password, and if it is Zerodha, you have to provide TOTP key. Suppose you are trading in Bank Nifty, the current freeze quantity is 1200. Suppose if exchange increases it to 1500 or it decreases to 800, you no need to go to anyone, including us. What you have to do is you have to straight away come up here and you can replace the value. Next one is order quantity. This is how much quantity you want to trade based on your capital. You have to put here. And next values are year, month, date. These are on which expiry you want to trade. Suppose you want to trade current week expiry, you have to put current week values. Suppose you want to trade next week expiry, you can put next week expiry as well. So the idea is, suppose if VIX increases to 30, 40, in pandemic times we have also seen 70 also. So in those situations, some people will try to do in next week options, because since VIX is very high, they don't want to trade in current week options, they want to trade in next week options. So in that case, you can customize as per your wish. And next one is stop loss. Suppose you are trading 920 straddle, the stop loss is 30%. As soon as order is success, the stop loss will automatically place with stop loss percentage what you have mentioned here. In future, somehow you don't want to place 30%, you want to replace with 40 or 50%. So you no need to go to anyone, including us. You can straight away come up here and you can change. And now what is mean by points away? Suppose you want to trade strangle 500 points away, you can give 500 here. In future, you don't want to trade 500 points away, you want to trade 700 points. So at that time you can straight away come up here and you can change the value. Suppose you want to trade straddle, for that you need to keep points away from ATM value as 0, so that it will pick ATM strike and it will place the orders. This is the common property file both straddle and strangle. You can shift from strangle to straddle, straddle to strangle by your own without anyone's help. The idea is, once you got these files, you should not contact anyone to customize your strategy. That's the main goal of this. I will explain one more time what is meant by points away from ATM. Suppose you keep 0, it will work as a straddle. Suppose you keep 500 or 600, it will work as a strangle. As simple as that. We will move to the final file, which is scheduling file. This is simple cron job scheduling file. This is where you have to place the time, at what time your strategy has to be triggered, that you have to specify in this file. The last part you no need to change at any time. The only part you have to change is this part. Currently our AWS server and cron job taking time as UTC time. We need to convert our IST time to UTC and we have to mention here. Suppose my strategy has to trigger 9:30 AM every day, so I need to place these values. If we convert 9:30 AM IST to UTC, which is 4 o'clock, I mentioned same thing here. Don't worry guys, we will clearly explain how you can change the time so that you can change by your own. You no need to take anyone's help. I will quickly explain what is mean by closest premium strategy. Then we will start the demo. So closest premium strategy is nothing but similar kind of strangle, but you are not deciding the strike based on the points. You are deciding based on the premium which is trading near to it. Suppose you want to trade the strikes which are trading near to 100. It will automatically go and pick the strikes which are trading near to 100. Then it will place the orders both for call option as well as put option. Now we will start the demo. As I mentioned, the property file looks like this. Due to security purpose, I have hidden these values here. You can see only these values. Now I want to trade straddle with the quantity of 5500. Let's suppose order quantity is more than 1200. It has to split the orders with 1200. Let's see how it works. As I said, if we keep points away from ATM as 0, it will work as a straddle. Let's see. I am going to trigger the script. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes because it has to generate the access token and the request token before placing the orders. So here we no need to do anything. It will automatically create everything. So I have seen some people, those people design Algo like every day we have to log in and we have to provide manually access token or request token. Then only it will take up. So here that is not the case. Fully automated, you no need to log in. See here, these are the logs. Order placed successfully with the order ID. Now we will back to our trading terminal and we will see how the orders placed. You can see here, currently the bank nifty is trading around 39,000. So the orders placed. Since we kept 0 as here, it should work as a straddle. So it picked the current ATM and it places the straddle. You can see here the order quantity has splitted with 1200 quantity. So CE 1, 2, 3, 4, 1200 into 4, 4800 plus 700, 5500. CE completed. Like the same way PE 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 700. That's all. So in total 5500 quantities of straddle has been placed. You can see the timing here. It has placed orders as quickly as possible. In 1 second, it has placed almost 4 orders. Here also 4 orders. This is very fast. See how cool it is. Now I will show you the demo of Strangle. Suppose I want to trade 500 points away strikes of Strangle. I am placing 500 here. Order quantity instead of 5500, I am going to place 2400. I am running the script. See here, orders has been placed successfully. We go back to our trading terminal and we will see. Yes, we have seen the orders. The bank nifty is trading around 39,100. From 39,100 plus 500, which is 39,600 CE. From 39,100 minus 500, which is 38,600 PE. And also let's check the orders. We have placed 2400 quantity. It has splitted 1200 quantity per order. You can see 2 orders for CE as well as 2 orders for PE. As soon as order is success, at the very next second, not minute, at the very next second, it will place the stop loss automatically. Since we don't have funds here, it's a testing account, the order is rejected. Once the order is success, it will place the stop loss automatically as per the given percentage. In similar way, it will work for closest premium, but it will come as a separate script. It will not come as a straddle and strangle script. Suppose you want to trade 500 quantity. You can change order quantity as 500 as per your margin and as per your requirement. Before moving to LS Blue demo, I would like to talk some points on this Algo system. If you have this Algo in your hand, you no need to contact anyone. You can customize your strategy by your own. You can customize your timing, you can customize your stop loss, you can customize your quantity as well as expiry. Next one is whatever we are going to provide the files, those files will be run at your end, not at our end. Those files will be secure in AWS server. Nobody in the world can see your files, including us, unless you share your username and password of AWS. I have talked with some of the people, those who taken some paid algos. Those people used to trade using Excel sheet. To put username and password, trade quantity and expiry in one Excel sheet, and they have to run from their end. But the actual code run at another end. Your username, password and request token can see by another persons at another end. Of course, most of the people will not harm you, but this is one of the security concern. Coming to our algo. Once we hand over AWS account after setting up, if you change your password of AWS account, nobody can see it in the world. Through this algo, you can trade big quantities as you want. Let's suppose if you want to trade 5,000 quantity or 6,000 quantity, you can trade. This is fully automated algo. As I said, some of the people manually has to generate access token or request token. They need to provide daily basis. Here, that is not the case. This is fully automated. To push the files from your system to AWS server, you just need to aware of two simple tools, which we will clearly explain. These are very simple tools. Even 8th grade student also can understand and can work on it. So then only your algo is secure in AWS and your algo will be in your hands. Currently, we don't have auto square off feature. We did not put it deliberately because if we keep auto square off feature, you will completely rely on it. If there is any problem at broker side or exchange side or algo side, you will not aware. What we suggest is if your exit time is 3 o'clock or 3:15, you can keep the alarm and you can close your position. If one or the other reason you are busy with your office work or some personal work, no need to worry and no need to panic because since we are triggering MIS orders, those open orders will be closed by end of the day. To push the configuration file from your local computer to AWS server and to do square off, it will take hardly 5 minutes per day. Since trading is a business, if you don't have 5 minutes to put on it, that is something I don't want to comment on that. We are planning to develop auto square off feature at given specific time. If it works, we will provide freely those who already taken algo from our end. Friends, this is not a scam or trying to cheat people. If we want to do so, there are plenty of other options in trading. We want to sell our genuine skill at very low cost. Finally, what is the price of this algo? If you contact any small software development firm to develop this, the price will land anywhere between 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. If we consider 2 lakhs in very best case scenario, we will not charge even 50% of 2 lakhs. Suppose you think that your strategy is going to make loss tomorrow due to some Fed event or some RBI policy or general elections result like that. You don't want to fight the orders for that particular day. What you have to do is you just need to log in your AWS console and you need to stop the server. You can come up here, you can select this instance and you can stop the instance so that it will not fight the order for that particular day. So after market hours, you can come up here and you can start the instance so that it will execute orders from next day onwards. Now I will quickly show you the demo of Alice Blue. Now I would like to place Strangle with 500 points away from spot. Order quantity I placed as a 6,000. I have taken current weekly expiry, which is on September 1st. I have placed all these necessary values. I am going to run the script. It will take some time to validate our credentials and to create access token before placing the orders. Access token has been created. You can see the orders. Orders are floating like bullets from machine gun. Bank Nifty closed around 39,000. From 39,500 points away means 38,500 PE as well as 39,500 PE. Each order divided in 1,200 quantity. Now we will see the Straddle. I am keeping this as a 0 so that it will place straddle orders. I will keep order quantity as 6000. I am going to run the script. See, orders are placing. Since Bank Nifty current market price is close to 39,000, it placed straddle with a strike of 39,000. So you can see the orders here. That's all about demo of Zerodha and Alice Blue. Friends, this is not the scam or trying to cheat the people to get some money. This is 100% genuine product. If you are interested on this product, you can reach out us through email or phone number. Email ID and phone number will be given in description of this video. Thank you for watching.